Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to manage your profile viewing options on the LinkedIn app. If you want to control what other users see when you view their profiles, this video will guide you through the process clearly. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. Next, look for the Profile Viewing option and select it. Here you will see three choices. You can choose to show your name and headline, which lets others know exactly who viewed their profile. You can also select Private Profile, which displays a limited amount of information about you. Finally, you can enable Private Mode, which hides your identity completely when visiting other profiles. Once you make your choice, it will automatically update and apply whenever you view profiles on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.